Hello ma'am, good morning. Ma'am, may delivery nga appliances ay ma'am?
Appliances?
Opo.
Oh.
Kuhan po, TV and washing.
Oh?
Opo.
Hindi mo rin. Ito, ito. Tapos?
35,000 ang baray. Adi mo kumain mo. Permado man, baka yung kilala mo.
Kala ko.
Ikaw na kung kaya mo man nakapangaran, no? If ever nga dire ikaw, pwede man natanig.
Hay! Mula ka na ibayad. Ano? Patay. Halig na ito, sunod na lang.
Paano na lang kayo ma'am? Papatunay lang sana nga nakagkani kami mo ba? Dari man to pwede return yung baray kami patunay.
And with that, the 2023 season comes to an end. Good night.
Surprises and gifts delivery. Looking for a perfect surprise gift for your loved ones? Look, now we do Van Trunk Surprise. We just don't deliver gifts, we deliver memories. We deliver anywhere in Lady and Samar. Surprises and gifts delivery.
Hello guys, good morning everyone, and we are bound to Iharo Bagahupe Babatngan late para surprise si Mama Maylene sa kanyang 51st birthday today. So ayun, maraming salamat po kay Ma'am Haina for choosing surprise gift delivery, for being a part of your mother's birthday celebration surprise. So ayun, sana po ay masurpresa at maprank natin ang ating celebrant for today's video, at sana ay mapasaya natin siya sa atin nating sorpresa na inihanda ni Mama Haina para sa kanya. So ito po yung set of surprise na napili Mama Haina para sa kanyang minamahal na ina. So yun, ito po ay meron po tayong food na meron po tayong belly, meron po tayong assorted kakanin, meron tayo doon lumpia Shanghai na 100 pieces, bali 2 bilao siya, at meron tayo doon pansit, and meron tayong cordon bleu, and of course yung 51st na cake natin with the touch of white and gold and red theme. So ayun, and may free tayong Coke and Sprite para sa kanya. So and special flowers po na Ecuadorian na flower and ipina-customize po ni Mama Haina para sa kanyang ina. So ayun, at gold and red theme po yung theme natin for today's video. At sana po ay pasurpresa natin ang ating celebrant. So abang-abangan nyo guys, at samahan nyo kaming pasayahin ang ating celebrant for today's video. So ayun, sa mga nais mo mapasurpresa ka ng mga sa buhay dito sa Leyte and Samar, just contact Surprise and Gift Delivery, at kami na pong bahalang mag-surprise sa mga naiwan nyo dito sa Leyte and Samar. So yun, thank you so much po everyone. God bless, keep safe, and peace out. Tapos yung pakana, kanda mailin nyo yahain. Tama na yun eh. Oh. Sige po. Opo. Opay. Oh, sige po. Opay. Ito ba? Mailin nyo, ma'am.
Alay.
Sige, ma'am. Ito yung ngaso eh. Hali, ma'am Maylin. Hali, ma'am Maylin. Adul. Pwede ako maggumasin. Na, bapagaw ko niya. Oo, kanang appliances ka mo. Sige, ma-deliver ng appliances ngayon na imo. Oo.
Ano?
Hello ma'am, good morning. Ma'am, may delivery nga appliances ay ma'am?
Appliances?
Opo. Kuan po, TV and washing.
Oh?
Opo.
Ito, tika. Oto. Tapos?
35,000 ang baray doon. 35,000 ang baray. Naman sa rin nga nag-order.
No.
Parang nga nakapagod.
Hamon sa rin nga nag-order amon no. Nga, di ko na ay mong bayad.
Nakakaran, may review.
Opo, may link.
Ay, ang bugyaw, manay laki. Ano ako? Ano yung order, mami?
Normal.
Mami, mami. Ay, sa'yo mo. Wala yung ito yung barangay. Wala ka talaga yung kapukulat ito.
Adem ko ito address sa'yo mo. Para sa buwan na pagod.
Mami, napindot mo.
Pa-check lang daw ma'am. Adi man ang resibo pati ang kuha niya. Pirmado man, baka yung kilala mo.
Oo, kalo ako.
Ikaw na kung kaya mo man nakapangaran no? If ever nga dire ikaw, pwede man natanig.
Hay! Mula ka na ibayad. Ilay mo. Ano? Kapay. Halig na ito, sunod na lang.
Paano na lang kayo ma'am? Papatunay lang sana nga nakakani kami mo ba? Dari man to pwede return yung baray kami patunay. Oo.
Maray! Maray! Hirap ma-order na lang.
Pwede man ma'am.
Ika'y dakila at higit ka sa lahat.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, happy Ayan, ang gift delivery po kami po anding pangkakuhan imo mga anak para mapalipay kaya na imo kaadlawon. 51 ka naman, baka dire 51. So ayan, may message po hira didihay mo. To mami, Happy 51st birthday, Mommy. You are the heart of our family, the one who lifts us up, keep us grounded and loves unconditionally. Every year, I'm more grateful for your wisdom, your laughter, and your incredible strength. You make 51st and role model you are. Love you, Mother. Love you, Mother, dear, more than words can say. Love, Haina. Happiest birthday to someone who brought me into this life. My very dear mother, na nanay nagiging desperate to be happy. We may have always been fighting and had a lot of misunderstanding throughout this problems or life and downs in life. But we still managed to solve and get through it together with the fam. The way you manage this household with your very long patience with us, amazing. And thought I know that sometimes it's very tiring. I'm so amazed with every story of your life experiences that you always tell us your challenges in your childhood, and throughout those challenges you still manage to be a very amazing, strong and interesting woman and a mother. Especially the kindness in your heart remains. Sorry if sometimes I can really test your patience and make you angry. Sometimes I become disrespectful without thinking. But those acts of mine don't mean that I don't love you. We will always love you for being our mother. Lastly, we are proud and grateful of how you are raised, and I will also surely make you and Papa proud soon. Promise. Happiest 51st birthday to you, Mommy. Love ya. More birthdays to come. Love, May. May na pa dito sa Love, me. May? May, oh, May. There is Mommy. Happy 51st birthday, Mommy. Wishing you a wonderful day. May your be filled with good health and endless laughter and moments that make your heart smile. Hey, Ron. Alauna ka nagmamata. May happy birthday, Mommy. Love, Edlin.
Nagsarabot na yan. Nakausa ko yun nga nagmatayin sa'yo.
Nga, may napadidiyos nga pahabol na message. Happy birthday. I hope your day is full of love and surrounded by people who you are care about. P.S. Thank you for bringing the most beautiful and caring girl into this world for me to find. Love, Cory. Manila gap ini, ma'am. Okay. Yan naliwat, mami ko lugat message po para Ira. Ano itong message po para Ira?
Wala ito, salamat. Pero na-surprise ko na ko. Ano kay kanina pa yung mapa? Papapausa ako. Salamat, mga anak ko. Salamat, amula.
Na-prank ka agad.
Hi!
Later.
Salamat, Kang Cory. Kang Cory ko. Salamat.
Ayan, mag-blue na kita, ma'am Hani.
Naglilit akong pasayan, mapahupo ko.
Adi, mami mo na ito.
Salamat. Salamat! Ako na yan, nagmutang sa'yo.
Sige, kantahan nato ng atong celebrant. Wow, 51st birthday. Happy birthday! Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wish mo na, ma'am. Happy birthday to you. Hey, happy birthday! Sana man, saling may kaguhan era surprise para hain mga may kakulbano, ma'am. Thank you so much ang ating mga sender. Thank you. And happy birthday, ma'am. Damo pa na blessing ito mabot ko para hain mo. And more birthdays to ka. Okay, picture you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Na-prank nga hawan celebrant.
Salamat, Kang Cory.
Sige, ma'am, picture na dito.
Picture ka na.